Docs gang, what it do? We are back, and guys, today we're gonna be doing a beat I have never ever done before. Guys, we're gonna be doing a Lil Tecca type beat. He's been blowing up a lot recently. I know he has a song called Ransom, I think, that was really popular on like Cole Bennett's channel. So yeah, and I think Nick Mirror might have produced for him, or somebody from Internet Money produced for him. I don't know, I don't really follow him, but I know he's popping. So I was like, you know what, let's just make a beat about Lil Tecca. So that's what we're about to do. If you haven't done so already, join my Discord. All right, I'm gonna say this in every single video. Join the Discord, okay? Join, so you can be a part of the elite Docs gang community. You know what I'm saying? There's beat critiques, beat contests there, all that good stuff. Don't forget, if you want to put your music on Apple Music, Spotify, iTunes, all that good stuff, and want to sell your beats or music there, head to distrokid.com. There's a link in the description. Use my link for a 7% discount. 7%. All right, I know you like to save money, and I like to save you money. Use that link. Sell your music. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. I see you. You're not pressing the subscribe. I see you not pressing the subscribe button. What are you doing? Press the subscribe button now. I'm not gonna start this video until you do. All right, I'm here on my computer. Now, in a Lil Tecca type beats, I noticed that there are a lot of chord progressions, piano chord progressions, and bells and whatnot. So that's what we're gonna start off with. We're gonna start off with a nice chord progression. So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna do Omnisphere. What am I saying? Omnisphere chord progressions. All right, that's what we're gonna do. All right, Omnisphere, don't do this. Come on, Omnisphere. There we go. Thank you. All right, let's look for some keyboard. All right, let's try that. Okay. Oh yeah, the BPM is not 130. You gotta turn that up, by the way. Oh, Omnisphere is acting up again. Great. You know what? I guess we're going back to Nexus then. Sorry for clowning you, Nexus. Wow. No wonder Keyscape's a thing. Jesus Christ. All right. Stretching this out. No. Stretch these. Oh my God. Wow. What the hell is this? Why are there duplicates? Alright, this one's pretty solid. This one's pretty solid. But we're gonna change the piano preset. You know, Nexus has some pretty decent pianos, I must say. I was talking mad smack about it, but you know what? I'm sorry about that, Nexus. Let's try this Nexus Grand. Alright, now I kinda want a pad. I kinda want a nice pad, but I forget what VST has the best pad. I don't wanna be going through a whole bunch of VSTs. Let's try Silence. See if they have any nice pads. Because, you know, Silence is like about to be my next go-to, honestly. Silence has nice bells. Most definitely has nice bells, but I don't know about pads. Let's see about the pads. Alright, you know what? I think it's Omnisphere. Omnisphere, you gotta go. You gotta go. I'm sorry. You're taking way too much RAM right now. Alright, you know what? I think it's Omnisphere. Omnisphere, you gotta go. You gotta go. I'm sorry. You're taking way too much RAM right now. I'm sorry. Maybe it wasn't Omnisphere. I don't even know. Alright, now I'm just gonna go to the hi-hats. I'm gonna add some hi-hats to this. Okay, I don't think these bells are working out. I'm gonna change these to something from Silent. Alright, I'm gonna stop jumping all over the place. Let's continue the hi-hats. Alright, then I'm gonna go to the 808s, then I'm gonna do the snare. Alright, now let's get these 808s going in because this is taking way too long. Alright, cool. Now let's get the kick down. Where's the kick? Where's the kick? let's do this one. All right, now it's heating. Guys, there you have it. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. There is our first ever Lil Tecca type beat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Okay, it's not that hard. Click the link, or no, click the like button down below. Don't forget to comment on the video on what I should do in the future. Don't forget to also join my Discord. All right, that's another thing. Join the Discord. Very important. Don't forget to subscribe. All that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.